For millennia, human biology, psychology, and societies have been shaped by the unique environment of our home planet. However, some visionaries and futurists argue that the future of humanity lies beyond Earth, in the vast expanse of space. But how well will humans fare if moved off this planet? Before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. Space is an incredibly hostile environment for human life because the lack of gravity or microgravity poses significant health risks. Astronauts experience muscle atrophy and bone density loss, despite rigorous exercise routines designed to mitigate these effects. In space, bones lose minerals at a rate of about 1% per month, leading to osteoporosis-like conditions. Muscles, which are used to working against gravity, weaken and shrink over time. Extended periods in microgravity can lead to cardiovascular issues, as the heart doesn't need to work as hard to pump blood throughout the body. Apart from that, exposure to cosmic radiation is a significant concern. Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field provide a protective shield against harmful space radiation. Without this protection, astronauts are exposed to higher levels of cosmic rays, which can damage DNA and increase the risk of cancer. Long-term exposure to this radiation in deep space or on other planets without adequate shielding would pose severe health risks. The psychological and social challenges of living in space are equally challenging. Humans are inherently social creatures, and isolation can have profound effects on mental health. Astronauts on long-duration missions face confinement, isolation, and separation from family and friends, leading to stress, depression, and anxiety. The limited living space and lack of privacy on spacecraft or space habitats can exacerbate these issues. A lack of a natural environment can also impact psychological well-being. On Earth, we benefit from the presence of nature, which has been shown to reduce stress and improve mental health. In space, the sterile and artificial environment lacks these benefits, potentially leading to a decline in overall well-being. Even if we could overcome the biological and psychological challenges, the technological and logistical hurdles of living in space are immense. Creating a sustainable habitat in space or on another planet requires advanced life support systems to provide air, water, and food. These systems must be incredibly reliable, as any failure could be catastrophic. The harsh conditions of space, including extreme temperatures and radiation, make it difficult to develop materials and technologies that can withstand such environments. Transporting humans and supplies to and from space is another significant challenge. Current rocket technology is expensive and limited in capacity. Developing new propulsion systems and more efficient methods of travel is essential for long-term space colonization. Additionally, the cost of building and maintaining space habitats for colonies is astronomical, requiring significant investment and international cooperation. Beyond the practical challenges, there are also ethical and philosophical considerations to address. Should we invest vast resources in space colonization when there are pressing issues on Earth, such as poverty, climate change, and environmental degradation? Some argue that focusing on space exploration distracts from solving these critical problems. Others believe that space colonization could provide solutions to Earth's challenges, such as by accessing new resources or creating a backup for humanity in case of a global catastrophe. There's also the question of whether humans have the right to colonize other planets. What impact would our presence have on potential extraterrestrial ecosystems? While the idea of humans adapting to and living in space is fascinating and inspiring, the reality is fraught with challenges. Our bodies and minds are designed for life on Earth, and the hostile environment of space poses significant risks to our health and well-being. Technological and logistical obstacles further complicate the vision of space colonization. The ethical and philosophical questions must be addressed as well before we venture beyond our home planet. But will we ever be able to live in space? Maybe someday. For now, it seems humanity will remain on Earth. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you have yet to do so. Be sure to hit that notification bell as well, because we have more interesting videos that you cannot afford to miss on the way.